With me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube Kids on PC. So if you want your kid to have a better experience in watching YouTube Kids, you can try to open the YouTube Kids on your computer. Here you can just open your browser, and then on the Google search, you can just type in YouTube Kids. Click on enter, and then here click on this option, YouTube Kids. Okay, so this page will be open, YouTube Kids. So what you need to do, if you want to watch them on the computer, you can just tap on this watch now, and then here click on this watch on web, and after that a new tab will be open. It will open the youtubekids.com. Let's just wait. Okay, so here you can just use your role as a parent, and then you can tap on next. But if you assign in or if you already have account, you can just follow these steps right here, and then tap on submit. Okay, so you can watch it on PC. Here, this is the introduction tutorial. Let's just wait. Okay, after you've watched the video, you can just tap on next, and here you can sign in with your account. With a parent's account, you can choose your Google account and then tap on. Then you have successfully signed in into your YouTube Kids account as a parent. Here you can see there's this tutorial again, like the basic one. You can scroll down and tap on done. Here you can choose the profile of your kid. If you already have one, you can just click on one of them, and then the YouTube Kids will be open. Now you can just select on one of the video to watch the YouTube Kids on your computer. You can just, for example, I'm going to just click on one of them. Let's try this one. Okay, so just wait and it's fully loaded, and that's it. That's how you can watch YouTube Kids on computer or PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.